Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. Thank you for tuning in. First of all, I want to say thanks to all of you for showing your love and support that you are constantly giving me on my YouTube and Instagram handle. I am so happy that you are liking the content I make. Thank you so much once again for believing in me and appreciating my work. It means a lot to me. I promise you I will keep delivering you such amazing content. Today I'm back with another brand new video. In this video you can already tell I'm gonna create this beautiful rainbow look. This look was so much in trend during Pride month and I love how colorful and bold this look is. Also I wanted to play with colors today, so I thought although Pride month has over now, but no one can stop us to play with colors, right? So if you wanna know how I achieved this colorful rainbow look, then please continue watching. I'm already done with my foundation. Now I'm gonna use Maybelline Fit Me Concealer as my eyeshadow base so that all the eyeshadow powders which I will use later on can stick on my lid. And before moving to the eyeshadows, I'm first using a white kajal to outline the shape of where I want my colors to go. To create the rainbow eye look, we need multiple bright colors and I don't have all the colors in my one eyeshadow palette right now. So I will be using 2 or 3 eyeshadow palettes to achieve the rainbow eye look. First I'm taking this Miss Clear eyeshadow palette, picking up the bright yellow color and I'm placing this right in the middle of my lid. Taking this red color, I'm tapping this next to the yellow. For my inner corner, I'm taking this maroon color and placing this all over towards the inner corner. Grabbing this bright green color from Wet n Wild eyeshadow palette, I'm gonna place this right next to the yellow. For the outer corner, I'm taking this blue eyeshadow color, placing this all over the outer corner, which is remaining. Also taking this right above the lash line so that there is no gaps. Using a red lip liner, I'm gonna make a sharp precise shape in my inner corner just to make it more crisp. Using Maybelline Colossal eyeliner, I am creating a wing today. This eye look requires a winged eyeliner look, so that is what I'm doing. To highlight my under eye area, I'm concealing with Milani Conceal and Perfect Concealer. Now let's complete the eye look. I'm curling my lashes first and then coating with a generous amount of mascara. The mascara I'm using today is the Maybelline Hyper Curl Mascara. And to set everything, I'm using my Holy Grail Fit Me Loose Finishing Powder. It will make sure my makeup stays much more longer and the base doesn't move. For my cheeks, I'm using this peach color from the same palette by Miss Claire. I love this look because you can go extra with your blush, and who doesn't like to add more and more blush. To highlight my face, I'm using Nykaa Glow Glitter Highlighting Palette. Blush and highlighter are my favorite. Also highlighting my inner corner and brow bone area. Finally, finishing off the look using Lakme 9to5 lipstick. This is a gorgeous bold red lipstick, and like I said, this entire look is about the colors, so red lip is a must. And this is the final look. Color is a big trend this year, especially in the pride makeup look. Everything is about the bright and bold colors, from your eyes to cheeks and lips. I hope you all enjoyed watching this pride rainbow makeup look. Don't forget to give a big thumbs up to this video, and also make sure you subscribe to my channel before leaving to this video. You can also follow me on Instagram. I love you so much guys, and I see you soon in my next video. Till then, bye guys.